Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a year now that we are in Canada, and as we all know that this year is crazy for all of us. Now slowly and gradually, as the things are getting settled down, I am planning to make a series of videos in which I will demonstrate that how I personally invest my money in Canada and what are the platforms that I use so that I will get the maximum benefit out of the money that I invest in Canada. So if you are new to this journey, I would strongly recommend to do subscribe to my channel and stick to the video to the end so that you can get the maximum output of how your money will grow as the time passes by. So guys, in this video especially, I will dig deep into one of the best platform in Canada, that is the Wealthsimple Trade or the Wealthsimple portfolio that I personally use to invest my money. And I will demonstrate that how I build this portfolio from the scratch. And if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to stick to my journey, and as the time passes by, we will slowly and gradually increase our portfolio, and also to wish you guys a very happy and a prosperous new year. So let's get into my laptop. Right guys, so as you can see on my screen that the platform that I'm using is the Wealthsimple platform. So in Wealthsimple there are two streams basically. So the first one is the Wealthsimple core platform, that is a Robo advisor one, and the second is a trade and crypto platform in which you can buy and sell stocks or ETFs. So in this video I'm going to put more emphasis on this one, and we will dig more deep into trade and crypto one in my upcoming videos. So let's get into this one. Okay, so alright, so as you can see that right now my portfolio is 1433 and it's up by 58 and 40 cents. So in 1 month it's like I started in November, as you can see. Alright, and as you can see, I have started in August. So I put some initial amount of $500, and on a regular basis I kept on investing some amounts, as you can see, right? So entirely my portfolio is right now trading at $1,400 and it's up by $60. And as you can see that it's up by 4.9%, and let's get more deep into it. So my portfolio, my portfolio risk gets I have set it to 10, which is the highest risk portfolio. It is the growth portfolio basically. So it consists of 90% equity and 10% of fixed income or gold. So when you are setting up the account, it will ask you certain questions based on your income and the spendings. So it will set a limit for you that will discuss about your risk level and the tolerance level. So in my case I have set it for 10, which is a growth one, which will give the maximum output in the coming years. So as you can see, what are the holdings in this growth portfolio? So it consists of 22% of XCF, which is one of the ETFs of iShare Coal EAFE IMI Index 1, and the second is the VTI. 20% belongs to this ETF, and 15% belongs to EEMV, which is the emerging markets ETF. Then we have 11% of XIC. These all are the high risk ETFs basically. So 9.9% belongs to ACWV and 5.5% belong to Vanguard US Total Market Index ETF. And when it comes to low risk tolerance, it's basically belongs to ZFL, that is BMO Long Federal Bond ETF, and some to cash and some to gold, which means these three elements considered to be a low risk profile ones. All right, then we will, as you can see, this is the graph of my portfolio. So my the final goal that I have set for this portfolio is to buy a home basically, right? So I have made this contribution in my TFSA account basically, and as you can see that till now I can contribute 10,675 more into this account. I have this much of contribution room left right now. So in the month of December I have deposited $150. So let me show you how I invest in this portfolio. So as you can see that I have set a limit, auto deposit limit of $75 bi-weekly. So my auto robo advisors invest $75 on a bi-weekly basis, and I don't have to care about any stocks or something like that. The robo advisor take part of this entire takes the headache of how to invest my money in the ETFs and stocks, and so that I can sleep well in the night. I don't have to take care of anything. If the market is going down or the market is going up, the robo advisor will take part of this thing. All right, and as you can see that I have received certain dividends in the month of December. So I have received the dividend of 4.28 dollars from two ETFs, that is the EEMV and ACWV. And slowly and gradually, when you start investing in these platforms, you will start receiving the dividends. These all are the passive incomes, you can say. As you can see that on 3rd of December I have received 32 cents of dividend, and November 3rd 26 cents. Then and these dividends are reinvesting in this portfolio, so that is the good part. So and it's not like that you have to set up the limit for auto depositing the funds into this account, but you can add funds into your account on a lump sum basis. That can also help, but I would recommend that you should start investing on a weekly or a bi-weekly or a monthly basis, so that your portfolio starts growing up and it will ultimately give you a best return in future. All right, so yes guys, as you can see that if I go into this TFSA account, if I go into this history tab, it's showing that the net deposit is $13.75, and the account value right now it's $14.33 and 39 cents. That means we are up by 58 and 39 cents. So these are all the activities that is showing by my account, that I have received a dividend of 4.28, and on 14th of December it got that $75 got deposited into my Wealthsimple account from my bank account, and it got reinvested basically, right? And just to add you one more thing, that the risk level that I was talking about, my is at high risk growth portfolio, that is the level risk 10, but you can change it at any point of time. But I would recommend that you should stick to one theme at its one point of time and start growing your portfolio values. To add you one more thing, that Wealthsimple account do take a commission fee of 0.5% on this account. For example, if I go into reward tab, it's showing that right now I have the balance of $21,100 of free managed for free. That means up till this much amount, Wealthsimple will not charge me any commission. So, and if you will upgrade to the black theme of Wealthsimple, that means if you will deposit $100,000 in the Wealthsimple account, then you will get a 0.4% of fee, which is very much less as compared to the normal one, and you will get one-on-one financial coaching with the financial advisor, and there are the perks with the black theme. But in my case, I will be charging, the Wealthsimple will be charging 0.5% if I exceed the $21,000 limit. So I will recommend you to download the Wealthsimple account from the link that I am giving you in the description below, so that you will get a 10,000 of free manage limit from my link. And yes, that's it all from today's video, guys. So if you like this video, I do recommend to like it and do subscribe to my channel. This will help you in future. So yes, this is all about my portfolio, and as the time passes by, I will get in touch with you guys again, and I will show my entire journey, that how this account is growing. And if you have any comments or suggestions, I would love to hear them from you guys in the comment section below. Press the bell icon for getting the notification thing, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.